The handheld gaming scene is about to explode, again. Massive leaks just dropped for the ASUS ROG Ally 2, and if what we're seeing is true, this could be the most powerful gaming handheld ever made. We're talking next-gen AMD hardware, a stunning OLED display, serious thermal upgrades, and features that rival full-on gaming laptops, all packed into one portable beast. In this video, we're diving deep into the shocking performance leaks, hardware details, and everything you need to know before this game-changer hits the market. So buckle up, because the ROG Ally 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new level. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The handheld gaming world is on fire once again, and it's all because of the explosive leaks surrounding the ASUS ROG Ally 2. If you thought the original ROG Ally was a game-changer, then you're in for a massive surprise because the second generation of this portable powerhouse promises to take performance, design, and thermal efficiency to the next level. Leaks suggest ASUS is not holding back this time, and they're bringing serious competition to both Valve's Steam Deck OLED and the upcoming Lenovo Legion Go refresh. According to insider reports and benchmark leaks surfacing online, the ROG Ally 2 will feature AMD's next-gen APU codenamed StrixPoint, which reportedly combines Zen 5 CPU cores with RDNA 3.5 GPU architecture. That means you're getting desktop-class processing power in the palm of your hands. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield on ultra settings, ray tracing enabled, and not dropping frames. That's the kind of performance ASUS might be packing into the Ally 2. But it's not just about raw power. Design leaks indicate ASUS is refining the ergonomics of the device, with better grip textures, improved button layout, and even haptic feedback triggers, something that fans have been begging for since the original model. The screen is also rumored to get a huge upgrade, a 7-inch 120Hz OLED panel with a peak brightness of 800 nits and near-zero response time, offering buttery-smooth gameplay and vibrant visuals that blow LCD panels out of the water. Now, let's talk cooling, a critical aspect of handheld gaming. According to leaked thermal specs and teardown schematics, the ROG Ally 2 might be incorporating vapor chamber cooling and liquid metal application directly on the APU, which could significantly reduce thermal throttling and extend sustained high-performance gaming sessions. Battery life is another major area where ASUS seems to be listening to users. The leaks point to a new 65Wh battery, nearly double the capacity of the previous generation, and smart power management via AI-driven profiles that adapt based on your game's demands and how you're holding the device. USB 4 support, dual USB-C ports, and an upgraded XG mobile interface for external GPUs also seem to be on the table, pushing this handheld into true desktop replacement territory. There are even whispers about modularity, interchangeable thumbsticks and D-pads, as well as customizable RGB zones that can be fine-tuned via Armoury Crate SE 2.0. And if you're into cloud gaming, the Ally 2 reportedly comes with Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G connectivity built in, giving you the freedom to stream AAA titles on the go without stutter or latency. Audio gets a serious overhaul too, with dual front-firing speakers, Dolby Atmos support, and a new quad microphone array for better in-game communication and content creation. Speaking of content, streamers will love the built-in capture engine that can record in 1080p 60 frames per second without tanking your frame rates, and there's even a rumor of a built-in kickstand for tabletop play or mobile content recording. Windows 11